Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township and today I will show you step by step how to create this pricing table section in WordPress using Elementor. So here you can see that this is one type of pricing table where we have given one title over here and then we have a paragraph over here, and on the right side we have the pricing option and then we have a button with the order now. So let's start creating this pricing table section. Before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also, you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress templates on different themes developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's start creating this section. So first of all, again you can see that I am now in my Elementor page builder. So now what I will do, again I will take a single section over here and then let me do some of the layout settings, like height I want to keep it at fit to screen, and then I just want to add a slight light background color. So anything you can add it over here. So let me add a slight light background color. Alright, so here you can see I have added a background color. So now let's start creating this. So first of all, here you can see we need two sections. So what we have to do, let's take a inner section which will give us to create two columns over here. So now by using the inner section we got the two column. After that let's start building one column, and then we know a trick to duplicate it and we will achieve the same design on the other column also. So first of all, if you will see, we have a heading over here. So what I will do, let me take a image box. So I'm going to build this entire by two image boxes. So let me search for image box over here and then I will drag it. So I don't need any image, so let me remove the image, and then here I have to give a title, and then let me give a description. Let me copy the description from here, and in the description I have pasted it. Now I need a like the alignment, so that's why I have set it as left align, so that it will be the text, everything will become in the left. And then we can go to the style tab and we can customize it like whatever. We don't need any image setting, so we can directly go to the content part, and here in the content part, as we have already set the alignment, so no need to change any alignment. Like by default it would be left, and then we can control a spacing between the title and the paragraph. So let me give it a spacing to 7, and then whatever color you want to give, so let me give it a black color. After that here you can change the typography of it. In the same way you can change the color of your description and typography. Alright, so now what I will do now, let me again go to the widget section and I will search for an image box again, and I will drag it under our first image box. And here also I will delete this image, and then what I will give here, I will go to this body part of it. So probably here in this image box, if you can notice, it is not allowing us to create a button. So let's search for image box again, and at this time we are going to use this element kit which will allow us to add a button also. So let me delete this one, and here what I will do, again I will remove the image because we don't need any image. And then let's go to the body part. So here what I will do, in the title I just want to give our pricing which is $25. So let me give it $25 in the title, and description I will give it per month. So that $25 per month is our address. And then we have a button over here with the text order now. So let me change our button to order now, and here you can give a payment URL whatever. So if someone will click on this order now, they will be redirect to the payment page. So now I need, like here if you will see, the alignment is towards the right. So what I will do, I will in the body part only I will change the alignment to right, so that the text will be appear towards the right. Alright, now let's move to the styling of it. So we don't have any image, so no need to style the image. We can directly go to the body part, and then here we don't let's remove the padding. So now when you entirely remove the padding, here you can see that there is no padding in it. After that, here you can change the typography of title and all. So what I will do here, I will let me increase em. I will select 3 em of title or 2.5 em. Let me reduce it a little bit. 2 em is fine here. After that, you can change, like here on hover the title color is changing. So if you want, the blue color is fine for me, like black color. Whenever I will hover, it will change to blue color. You can set it like this, and then here you have a description text over here. You can set a spacing between them. So after title, I don't need any spacing, and then after description, I need a 21 pixel of bottom spacing. So here in the description also, you are getting a hover option. If you want to change it, change the color to any other color, you can do that one. Alright, after that, you can change the typography also. Now let's focus on the button part. So here in the button part also, we have achieved like whatever colors and all, everything is fine. The only thing is I just want to make them rounded. So I will give it a 50 pixel of all the side, and then here you can see now I'm getting the button also rounded one. And then now I think if you want to enable the box shadow for the button, you can enable it. And then what you have to do, let's remove a little bit, remove it, and then here blur I want to increase it to 50, and then if you want, let's increase it little bit. All right, it is fine. So now we got like if you will notice, we got exactly the title, description, and then this pricing, everything. So how we can set them in a one line, means it should be appear in, like here it is appearing first these things. So how we can do that one? So for this, again click on this first image box and go to the advanced, and here we have a positioning. In positioning, width, make it a custom width and give it a 60 percentage of, okay, make sure you have selected this percentage and give it a 60 percentage of width in the positioning. Okay, and then vertical line position, everything should be default. After that, for this second image box, again I will go to the advanced, and in positioning I will select a custom width, and in percentile I will give it a 40 percentile of custom width. I think let's again go to the positioning. Okay, here it is 60 is not applied. So now if you will notice, both the text has come in one line. Now what I will do, I will go to the column setting, and here in this column setting, first of all let me change the background to white color. Alright, so here you can see we have a white background color, so we achieved it. Now in the advanced tab, I want to give it a 50 pixel of padding, and let me duplicate this column and I want to remove it. And now you got, like we got a two pricing table column. So now what I will do here, if you will notice, we have a space between. So for that space, again in the column setting, we can give a margin right of 15 pixel. Similarly, to the right side of the column, we can give a 15 pixel of margin left. And then now let me click on update and let's see. So here you can see we have got this entire pricing table section like this, and whenever we are hovering over this table, it is changing the color. Similarly for this one. And then if you want to change this title SEO specialist, if you want to make it, if you want to change the pricing, everything you can do it easily, right? So now with this we have completed this section. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates.